Okay, so second error, line 12, enter के पहले spacing. Simran, better with the logic now?
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, anytime, like if you don't understand, feel free to like. अब मुझे भी like weekdays में I will do it together if you want any help, you know.
Okay, perfect.
Nikhil, line 12 before enter. Input enter जहाँ से शुरू हो रहा है ना.
कहाँ
नहीं
से
नहीं.
सर?
Input values equals to integer input then enter. The first enter on that line, yeah. Wo it
Yeah.
should go. Now we will remember one thing. This is not a defect in the code, but हम लोग जब Python coding करेंगे, we will use everything in lower letters. Like for example, ये variable declaration हो गया, वो सब lower letters में. Lines and prints are okay, but जैसे values हो गया, we will use v small v. Okay, you can correct that later. That's okay. Same with line 15, line 17, issues. Okay.
वो CMB है सर, वो अंदर चला जाता है इसलिए.
Yeah, that's perfectly fine. It will come with time. It comes with experience. Okay. And until now, मुझे कोई issue नहीं दिख रहा है code के साथ, but we'll make it a bit more user friendly with time. So Nikhil, do you know how to commit this code to the repository?
What sir?
आपको पता है how to commit this code to the repository?
No sir.
Okay, so okay, I'll help you out separately this week. आप जब free हो तब just let me know. Okay.
Okay.
So when should I consider? Like I'll give you a call and we will fix it together.
Okay.
Nikhil and Devarsh. Okay, Devarsh.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
We will set up your repository together. So आपको आप कब free हो ये week में? If we can set up a 15-minute call.
Friday sir.
Next Friday.
Yes, sir.
Because
Friday
the
is
exams are
Friday थोड़ा difficult actually मेरे लिए next week.
So Thursday.
Okay, Thursday.
Okay, sir. Thursday कर रहे हैं.
Okay, perfect. So we'll आप लोग ये mistakes correct कर लो और जो हमारा next task है वो finish कर लो. On next Thursday we will catch up and I'll help you with this repository committing. Okay.
Okay sir.
Perfect, guys. Okay. Anyone, any questions, or we can move to the next? Shruti, Mohit, Simran,
No questions.
Devarsh. Okay, so let's move to the next.
Right.
I think Shruti has something to present. Let's move to Shruti. Shruti, you want to go ahead and share your screen?
Yeah, for sure. So just 1 second. Yeah.
I'll mark this task to done for Devarsh and Nikhil.
Yeah. So actually, I have write down some details of Jira and Confluence. You told me last week that you have to write down the brief idea, whatever you understand from your research, right?
Yes.
So that's what I had. I had not posted it yet, but I have not completed. That's why I didn't. But I have written about it on Confluence. So do I have to explain the whole details or just a brief
Not
idea?
really, just you can quickly overview the Jira, Confluence, and Bitbucket that we are
Okay.
using in day to
Okay.
day.
I have not
3 minutes.
done any research on Bitbucket, but Jira and Confluence, I had read few documents and got out got an idea to how to like create an issue, how to do manage a product, how to create project and all those things. So I can do work in that. So um, Jira is a set of agile work management tools that helps teams to come together and they can accomplish their work. ગુજરાતીમાં સમજાવું કે પછી
हिंदी हिंदी
ઇંગ્લિશમાં જ?
हिंदी
ओके हिंदी में।
Yeah.
ओके सो बहुत सारी कंपनीज यूज करती है उसमें सारी टीम्स जो है वो टुगेदर वर्क कर सकती है जैसे कि नॉट ओनली सॉफ्टवेयर टीम्स बट अनदर टीम्स लाइक बिजनेस में भी यूज हो सकता है। फिर अदर मैनेजमेंट की कंपनी है, मार्केटिंग कंपनीज है, कस्टमर सर्विस की कंपनीज है, सब लोग जीरा को यूज कर सकते हैं। ऐसा कुछ है नहीं कि सॉफ्टवेयर कंपनी से यूज कर रही है। तो इट्स जस्ट अ टू डू ऐप काइंड ऑफ थिंग के हमें जो भी वर्क करना है, जो भी फंक्शंस बनाने हैं, जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स बनानी है, उसको हम जैसा अभी शैल एक्सेल शीट उसने एक बनाई है, उसमें वो सारा डिटेल्स फिलअप करता है कि इसने ये काम किया है, वो काम किया है, अभी इतना प्रोग्रेस हुआ है और डन हो गया है वर्क। वैसे ही हम लोग जीरा को यूज करेंगे फॉर आवर proper management of work. So that's how Jira helps us. And Jira, if we talk about Jira products, so Jira software है, Jira work management है, Jira service management है, and Jira Align है. So software is very popular because we know that in our software team, it's very useful to track and plan and deliver softwares, right? So to work in a team, it's very useful. We will see next how it's useful. Then Jira work management है, तो Jira work management business डेवलप बिजनेस में जो काम करते हैं, जो नॉन सॉफ्टवेयर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से है, उन लोगों के लिए वो ज्यादा यूजफुल है। जैसे कि कुछ नए एम्प्लॉयज आए हैं तो उनका इंट्रो के लिए उनको सब कुछ समझना हो तो वो सिर्फ वो जीरा पे जाके वो सारे डिटेल्स पहले किसने क्या काम किया है, क्या नहीं किया है, तो उसके लिए इजी रहेगा कि वो सारे लीगल डॉक्यूमेंट्स को रिव्यू कर सकता है। वो सारे जो भी मार्केटिंग कैंपेन्स है, वो सब कुछ जो भी बिजनेस में चल रहा है, तो कोई भी न्यू एम्प्लॉय एंटर होता है तो उसको तो कोई भी कंपनी के बारे में कुछ भी पता नहीं है। तो जीरा हेल्प्स देम। Apart from them, Jira Service Management is a ticketing and service request system for IT. It's also for software developers and all those things. It allows teams to respond rapidly to service inquiries and provide excellent वो कस्टमर्स के साथ जो भी हम लोग डील करना है, वी नो दैट कस्टमर को के साथ हमें जो भी एज अ आईटी डेवलपर वी हैव टू कम्युनिकेट विद कस्टमर्स, तो उसके लिए जीरा सर्विस मैनेजमेंट इज यूजफुल। Jira Align, if we talk about Jira Align, then big enterprises are using it. I have not done any more research on it because it's not useful. I have more idea about software and work management only. Then how does Jira help our team? So if we talk about our team, then Jira helps us to be more transparent, efficient, and collaborative. Transparency means we in our team we can see others' work, we can comment on it, we can review, we can share our ideas. So that's how transparency works. Efficiency means our team can plan ahead, like we can plan ahead that next week we are going to do this, next to next week we are going to do this, next week this task should be end. So that's what is efficiency. Collaboration means working closely with each other, like we can discuss, we can comment if someone had done mistake or something, then we can point out, or we can comment on it, or someone had done very good work, then we can appreciate it. So that's what is collaboration on in a team. So yeah. So if I had done some other documentation about Jira issues and all, but not in this um, uh, Confluence page. I had just done it in a Word for my reference, so you can see what I have done. And I'm still learning how. For me, I'm doing making some notes so I can use it in a future for my references.
Mhm.
So yeah.
Yeah,
Uh,
that's
so if we talk about Confluence, Confluence is a tool to create and store and share information. Confluence is used by a wide range of teams, from marketing to human resources. Same as Jira, it is useful for software development companies, as well as business and marketing campaigns and all those things. So it's Confluence is as a central hub. You can see in the image that before Confluence, how organizations are working, and right now after getting Confluence in their projects and all, how the teams are working. So it's a very great idea to use Confluence for our team. Um okay.
yeah, that's helpful, I think.
Yeah.
Questions, anyone? I think Simran ने भी ये चीज पे डेमो दिया है. All that's really very informative. Uh,
Okay.
we'll have to share the links on somewhere, and we will see that how we can go ahead. Also,
Okay.
Shruti, you were talking about you have had put down your efforts on the code. Would you like
Yeah,
to share
I
it?
did it. So actually, as you told us that to Nikhil, Devash, and me to work
Mhm.
on the code. So I didn't got the time to communicate with them, but yeah, I had done by myself yesterday night.
Mhm.
So let me. I have just used a Google Colab because
Okay, no problem. Yeah.
yeah. So I can run it and show it to you guys. Okay, so same I had used this XLS writer library,
Mhm.
and now if in this logic I have used made one list, empty list, and now we are like doing enter number of elements in the list. So if we just want to add three stocks, then we can enter three, and
Mhm.
then I'm adding the stock name. I have not written very well managed well, but just I'm so the price is 200, then again ABC, and 300. uh,
Okay. I
Same
got the
as,
logic.
yeah.
Yeah, it's the same logic, but
Yeah,
it's a good logic, in fact.
yeah,
But
but then I made a list, and then
yes.
I'm just putting it that list into the Excel sheet. That's it.
Okay, perfect. So this is
Demo.
good, I think. So what you can do now is what I find is Devarsh or if I'm not wrong, Devarsh or Nikhil का जो logic है regarding that inputting the value, that's better, right?
Okay.
और आपका जो logic है worksheet dot write वाला और directly row plus equals to one without appending the elements, that's more faster in the form of execution.
Okay.
Okay, so why don't you guys combine and come up with a Python function
Okay.
or Python functions collaboratively that would reduce the like that would make the code easier to read for the user, and at the same
Okay.
time it would avoid repetition.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
So
makes
you are
sense.
just saying that this logic is good, right?
Yeah, your row plus one, ये जो row का logic है आपका x y in the list आपने जो loop over
Yeah,
कर दिया है,
yeah, yeah.
that's really nice. So use this part जो for x y in the list blah 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 है, use
Mm-hmm.
that part of yours and use the input,
Function. Yeah,
yeah,
I didn't
part
made any
from,
functions. Yeah,
yeah.
I
So
just
this basically guys I would like to add is ये जो श्रुति ने किया है, can you go up श्रुति?
yeah.
ये जो श्रुति ने किया है like ELE equals to input this input, it's not the right way to be honest,
Okay.
because this this does not like for a raw person it's very difficult to read the code this way, and what you are doing is you are
Yeah,
appending list into a list.
yeah. I'm
So
appending
when
this.
when you would parse it, when you would parse that list into the list,
Hmm.
right, that would eventually create repetitions,
Okay. Got
right?
it. Yeah.
So I would like you guys to do that, and
Okay.
yeah, that should be everything. And this week, I want Simran to do something on the code, right, Simran?
Yeah, I can try.
Yes. So I'll give you a small, very small task to begin with, and you just have to focus on that task. Okay.
Okay.
You can use any resources. You can whatever you like. You can use anything from the Google. Okay.
Okay.
तो आपको क्या करना है, जो टास्क अभी तक किशन वाज वर्किंग ऑन, जस्ट अ स्मॉल पार्ट ऑफ इट, ओके.
Mm-hmm.
What you have to do is get the content from the web page using JSON, जो मैं अभी दिखा रहा था जहाँ पे मैं स्टक हूँ. आप भी एक बार ट्राई करो, उससे you will get some exposure. Try getting any website stuff, or like try gathering it like json.load से, try saving it into the variable, और बाद में हम लोग उसको log फाइल में एक्सपोर्ट करेंगे. I'll share
क्या है
that.
प्रॉपर टास्क? हाँ, मुझे समझ नहीं आ
Or
रहा.
I'll also add it to the Excel.
Can't we use web scraping for it?
You can, 100% you can, but when we have, you can use it, but oh, okay. Here I get the problem now. हम लोग json.loads इसीलिए यूज नहीं कर पा रहे because we are not connecting to a API.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's eventually a request module, right? Which looks for the API. So that makes sense. We will definitely have to make use of web scraping, Simran. So you want to look into the web scraping now?
I don't know any of these terms, to be very clear.
I can help her how to do web scraping
Okay.
if she is okay. Okay.
Okay. So
I am a complete beginner, so treat me like one, yeah.
yeah, everyone's a beginner. Me too.
Yeah.
Shruti and
In IT there is a lot of things, so everyone is beginner. I also have to research on web scraping. I don't
नहीं
have
नहीं, you guys to know a lot, right? And
but still we don't. I don't know about web scraping. I have just heard about it. I have never applied in my life, but yeah, I can learn it by watching
okay.
videos.
So what I have done is I have formed a team of Shruti and Simran, okay,
okay.
to look into the code this time. Okay. So next, Lokesh. Lokesh said that code is with Kishan, right? So we'll have to wait for the next week. But Lokesh, make sure that you and Kishan present the next week, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Lokesh and Kishan are still stuck there. I will just. और अगर आपको like ये week में भी time मिले तो 15 minutes and we'll. Mohit, any update?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. You want to share the screen?
Sir, I can't able to screen right now, but my task is almost complete.
Okay.